We're back. Lay's garage. Gonna take me a bit to get used to this again. Work on the tonner, bringing it back. It's been a few years, obviously built the shed. We'll go for a bit better episode maybe, talking about the shed when it's finished. No power. I just want to smash one out on the tonner because I think I've come up with a hack for these side skirts on these things. Bringing it back, taking the executive bar off, jammed an SS bar on there. That looks pretty good. But notice that the standard style side skirt's too small compared to the SS. It looks a bit weird. So I thought the actual VZ S-Pack ones of these come with the SS style skirt on it. A bit like what's on the SS, bigger. But the end caps are nearly non-existent. Like these ones you can get, but the S-Pack style ones, because they only come on the VZS, is a bit hard to get. So I think I've come up with a way I can make my own, so I thought I'd just share it in the process. The side skirts themselves are starting a bit hard to get as well, so you can just get a sedan one. This is a 1 tonner one, and this is an SS sedan one. You can see the profile's bigger. But yeah, the actual side skirt itself, even if you line them up, the fixings are the same. You know, your holes, and even down here where it slots, the same, and it's just cut off short. But I do know that this is a factory bar. You can see it even looks like Holden's just cut it pretty rough too. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in the same spot and just at least start with a side skirt that's the same, well, pretty much the same length, but they've got that cut out so it follows the body. After taking some measurements, you can roughly see on a factory one the offset of where they've cut. I don't know, 5 to 10 mil, about 7 mil. I decided it, and it's right in line with that eyelet there where I've got that Nico mark. So I've just put a tape line on the SS bar, and I'm just going to cut that with an angle grinder. Maybe use my die grinder in the corner there to get that nice rounded section. Cut that nice and clean. We'll see how I go. Alright, successfully cut that off. Ended up just, using a grinder. And I actually used an aluminium bit on my die grinder just to chew it out a bit. Cut the section off it. I ended up also cutting a bit of the length off it as well. But come up really good. I did hit it with the orbital as well. It's focusing pretty well. A little bit of a turn on it. So that's the one I just cut. And this is the factory. I'll stick it on there and we'll see how it fits. Yeah, it fits on there good. You can just see it. Just the depth lines up better already. I'm happy with it. I did purposely leave it long, but yeah, obviously this skirt's got a little bit of scratching there. I'm going to get painted up later on, but yeah, that fits in there real good. The lip of the body hides it, so don't be scared, that's for damn sure. Next thing I do is, obviously I'll cut it with a little bit left over, and you can see where the factory cap is supposed to be installed. And the factory design, sort of, even the S-Pack ones, they more wrap over it. This is only a normal one, but it does. The S-Pack ones are similar, just bigger. They wrap over the top. They're a bit of a rounder design. I'm not going too hard, but I think I've come up with a solution. So I've cut a cardboard template that'll go in there, and it follows the shape of the side skirt beautifully. I'll cut that out. And when I'm going to cut this out of aluminium, and then after I cut it out of aluminium and mark it and screw the aluminium in, then I'll mark the inside of the skirt so I know to cut it exactly the right length to suit the plate. So next step, I don't even know what that is, might be 2 mil. I transferred this shape onto aluminium. And I've just added this little tab here because that little tab I'm going to bend up. And I'll be able to put a screw through the bottom of the side skirt to hold it. So let me cut that out and see how we go. Alright, been outside. Managed to cut that one up. Bent the little tab over on the bottom. Easy enough. I ended up just marking the 2 holes with the 2 factory holes there. Just marked it out. And then, yeah, we'll just slide in like that and screw in. Obviously, very hard to do with one hand, but I'll go ahead and screw that in, then I can trace around the inside. Righto, the plate's installed. The side air lines up with there and the end of the side skirt. This plastic bit hangs out a little bit, but I think it still looks pretty good once the screw goes in the bottom here. It'll look fantastic. You can see the Nico mark around the inside. I've marked the side skirt, so now I can pull it off and cut it back a bit closer. Alright, all trimmed back and installed. Put a little screw up in the bottom there. A little blackhead self-tapper, worked perfectly. A little tiny gap there at the bottom, but I'm going to spray paint that black, so having a black car, I think it'll look alright. Right in that top corner there, with a black car, like, you're not going to notice it, but there's a triangle of gap there. If your car was any other colour, you might notice it more, but it still follows the line of the cab. You know, and the other ultimate thing is too that you haven't sacrificed anything. Like, this can be temporary until you do find a genuine one if you want to. So I'm going to paint it up and we'll have another quick look once it's completely done. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's a good little hack. Alrighty, finished product. Looks pretty good. I actually wet sanded it and buffed it. And you could easily get a decent set of side skirts and just put them straight on, no paint needed if you've got the same colour. Painted that plate. It follows that line pretty good, I thought. You do get that little triangle in the top there, but on a black car you probably don't notice it as much. But yeah, I'm stoked. So that side with the SS style side skirt. And this side was just the normal ute, just the normal tunnel one. And see, it just looks just not quite as level. Yeah. Heaps better. Alright, that'll do this one. Didn't even take that long, probably a couple of hours in that. Go and get yourself a set of sedan SS skirts, bit of alley, whack them on, it's pretty easy. Might try and do some more episodes, we'll see how we go. I'm gonna play around with the fuel tank and the rear suspension. But yeah, see.